Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn about the two type of organisms. The two type of organisms are prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms are differentiated as per the difference in their cell structure. The structure of cell is different in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. If an organism has prokaryotic cell in its body, it is called prokaryotic organism. If an organism has eukaryotic cells in its body, it is called eukaryotic organism. Now we learn what are the main differences between a prokaryotic and a eukaryotic cell. As it is mentioned here, a prokaryotic cell is smaller in size. It is very small in size. A eukaryotic cell is larger in size. Smaller in size and larger in size. This cell, the prokaryotic cell, is that much smaller that we cannot see it by our naked eye. It is too small to see with our naked eye. So prokaryotic cell is too small to see with our naked eye. But a eukaryotic cell is not that much smaller. There are eukaryotic unicellular organisms which are microscopic, but they are bigger than prokaryotic organisms. You can see here the picture of a bacteria. This is a bacterial cell. A bacteria is a unicellular organism. It has a prokaryotic cell. So, to draw a prokaryotic cell, or the example of a prokaryotic cell is a bacteria. A bacterial cell. This bacteria has plasma membrane, cell wall, ribosomes and nucleoid. You cannot see anywhere nucleus. You know a cell contains nucleus? Yes, a cell contains a proper nucleus. But in a prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is absent. In place of the nucleus, there is nucleoid. Nucleoid. In place of the nucleus, there is nucleoid. What is the difference between a nucleus and a nucleoid? A nucleus is a well-defined structure. That means a nucleus has an outer covering by a nuclear membrane. A nucleus is distinguished or differentiated from the cytoplasm by using a nuclear membrane. Around the nucleus there is the covering of nuclear membrane. But in a nucleoid there is no covering of nuclear membrane. That is the main difference between a nucleoid and a nucleus. The second is, in a nucleus, see, the nucleus is well defined because of the covering, because its covering, that is the nuclear membrane. Otherwise, it will be spread in the cytoplasm. The nucleus will be spread in the cytoplasm if there is no covering. So it is embedded in the cytoplasm here. And you can see a cell wall here. See, bacterial cell has a cell wall. It is the most primitive organism. Plasma membrane is here, any cell membrane is here, ribosomes are there. So, not all the cell organelles are there in a bacterial cell. You cannot see a mitochondria. You cannot see any such cell organelle like a plastate, Golgi complex. You cannot see here. In the primitive organism like bacteria, there are limited cell organelles. So, most of the membrane bound cell organelles are absent in a prokaryotic cell. So, in a eukaryotic cell, you can see many structures other than this. See in another picture I put here plant cell and animal cell. These pictures are from your book. You have to draw these pictures. And before coming to this picture, I want to show you this because we have to see the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. See, both these are, can you identify they are prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Tell me. By seeing only one thing, watching this, you can see there is nucleus. There is nucleus. And the nucleus is covered by nuclear envelope. There is nuclear envelope. Nucleus is covered by nuclear envelope. See, nucleus is here also. It is covered by nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope means it is covered in a covering. It is placed in a covering. Envelope means a covering. See. So, if there is a proper nucleus covered by a nuclear covering or nuclear envelope, such type of nucleus is only can be seen in a eukaryotic cell. So, both these are eukaryotic cells. This is a plant cell. You can see animal, this is a plant cell. This one is a plant cell. See, and this one is an animal cell. How can we differentiate it? We will come to that point after the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. We will come to that point. First of all, we may discuss this. So, here we can see prokaryotic cell smaller in size and the eukaryotic cells are larger in size. Nuclear membrane absent. Now we have seen that nuclear membrane present in eukaryotic cell, that also we have seen. Single chromosome present in a prokaryotic cell. In a prokaryotic cell, single chromosome present. The chromosomes are present inside the nucleus. Only one chromosome is present in a cell in prokaryote. More than one chromosomes are present in a eukaryotic cell. More than one chromosome. That is the third difference. The fourth difference, this also we have discussed, membrane bound cell organelles absent. There are no cell organelles inside the, only ribosomes are there. They are not membrane bound. And no other cell organelles are here in the prokaryotic cell, but membrane bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, membrane bound cell organelles are present. So these are the differences between a prokaryotic and a eukaryotic cell. Now you can write it down. Note it down, the difference between, write the question. Write down the differences between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. So, we will see in the next video. Till then, bye.